Most Flybridge cruisers in the 65-foot class force a trade-off, owner-operable or full crew, never both. The Princess F65 refuses to pick. Built by Princess Yachts in Plymouth, England, the same yard that has built every Princess for 60 years. GRP hull, twin-deck Flybridge configuration, flagship of the F-class range, twin-man V8 1200 diesels, 2400 horsepower combined, top end 33 knots, cruise at 26 knots, 270 nautical miles on 1083 gallons of fuel. Drop to 20 knots and range stretches further, 66 feet 7 inches overall, 16 feet 9 inches of beam, 5 feet 4 inches of draft. 3-deck layout, main lower Flybridge, connected by a curving stairwell, open plan main deck, galley flows to saloon, saloon flows to cockpit through sliding glass. A lift window at the galley opens to the cockpit bar. The Flybridge above hosts a wet bar, sun pad, and a helm with full sight lines. Full beam owner suite forward with private hull windows, 4 ensuite cabins, 4 heads, crew quarters aft accessed from the cockpit, owner suite forward with a full beam layout, VIP aft, 2 mirror guest cabins amidships, standing headroom throughout. Bottom line, the F65 is the Flybridge cruiser for the owner who refuses to choose between privacy, crew, and the freedom to run it themselves. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.